Hello everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing revision regularly for unit test 1. Today in class I am going to start exercise 3.2 which is related with the subtraction. The first question of exercise 3.2 is find the difference. Okay, the first one is 2216 minus 203. You have to subtract 203 from 2216. So you have to start from right side. First you have to subtract 6 and 3. 6 minus 3 will be 3. 1 minus 0 will be 1. 2 minus 2 will be 0. And there is no digit under the thousand place. So under 2, so you have to write 2 as it is. So the difference is 2013. Second question is 6978 minus 1756. So first you will subtract 6 from 8. 8 minus 6 will be 2. 7 minus 5 will be 2. 9 minus 7 again 2. And 6 minus 1 will be 5. So the difference is 5222. Now fourth one. 8235 minus 4020. 5 minus 0 will be 5. When we subtract 0 from any number, we will get the number itself. 3 minus 2 will be 1. 2 minus 0 will be 2. And 8 minus 4 will be 4. This is the difference. 4215. Question number B is write in column and find the difference. First you have to arrange the numbers in column and then you have to do the subtraction. So the first one is 8695 minus 495. 8695 is greater. First count the places in greater number. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay, this is 4-digit number. So you have to write places up to 1000. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Then you have to arrange the digits of the number. This 5 will write in ones place. 9 you have to write in tens place. 6 write in 100 place and 8 write in 1000 place. Now 495. This is 3-digit number. Okay. So you have to write 5 in ones place under ones column. Then 9 in tens column. Then 4 in hundreds column. Now you have to subtract 495 from 8695. 5 minus 5 will be 0. 9 minus 9 will be 0. 6 minus 4 will be 2 and 8 as it is you have to write because there is no digit here. Okay. So the difference is 8200. Now third one is 5432 minus 4321. Both the numbers are 4-digit numbers. So you have to write places up to 1000. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay. Now you have to arrange the digits of 5432 under these places. So 2 you have to write in ones column. 3 you have to write in tens column. 4 you have to write in hundreds column. And 5 you have to write in thousand column. This way you have to arrange the digits of number. Now the next number is 4321. So this 1 you have to write in ones column. 2 we will write in tens column. 3 write in hundreds column. And 4 write in thousand column. Okay. So this way you have to arrange the number. Now you have to subtract 4321 from 5432. 2 minus 1 will be 1. 3 minus 2 will be 1. 4 minus 3 will be 1 and 5 minus 4 will be 1. So the difference is 1111. Exercise 3.3 is estimate the answer by rounding off the numbers. Solve to check your answer. In this question, you have to round off numbers which is given in the question. then you have to write the rounding numbers. You have to subtract rounding numbers. You will get the answer. And here you have to subtract the number as it is. When you rounding off the number and subtract, this will be the checking of your answer. First question, 45 minus 23. You have to subtract 23 from 45. Then you have to round off 45 and 23. You will get rounding numbers and then you have to subtract that rounding numbers. This way you have to do checking of the question. See the number 45. You have to rounding off this number. Since this is 2-digit number, so you have to round the number nearest 10. To round the number nearest 10, you have to see the ones place digit. In 45, the ones place digit is 5. 5 is greater than 5. So write 0 at the place of 5 and write the next number of 4, that is 5, on 10's place. So when you round off 45 nearest 10, you will get 50. Next number is 23. See the ones place digit, 3. 3 is less than 5. So write 0 at the place of 3, and since 3 is less than 5, so write 2 as it is. Okay. Now subtract 3 from 5. You will get 2. And subtract 2 from 4. You will get 2 again. Means you will get the difference 22. Now you have to subtract the rounding numbers. 0 minus 0 will be 0 and 5 minus 2 will be 3. This is 30. So this way you have to solve question. Second question, 86 minus 55. See number 86. On ones place here is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So write 0 at the place of 6. Since it is the case of greater, so write the next digit of 8, which is 9. Now 55. Here on ones place 5 is here. 5 is equals to 5. So write 0 at the place of 5 and write the next digit of 5, which is 6. Okay, this way you have to round off both the numbers. When you round off 86, you will get 90. When you round off 55, you will get 60. Now we have to do subtraction. 6 minus 5 will be 1. 8 minus 5 will be 3. 0 minus 0 will be 0 and 9 minus 6 will be 3. Here you get 30 and here the exact difference is 31. So this is the checking and this is exact difference. Next question, 92 minus 46. See the number 92. On ones place in 92, here is 2. 2 is less than 5. So write 0 at the place of 2 and write 9 as it is. In 46, 6 is greater than 5. So write 0 at the place of 6 and write the next number of 4, which is 5. Now subtract 6 from 2. You can't subtract, so you have to borrow from 9. 9 will be 8 and 2 will be 12. 12 minus 6 will be 6 and 8 minus 4 will be 4. What will you get? 46. This is exact difference. Now you have to subtract 50 from 90 for checking the answer. You have to check the answer. 0 minus 0 will be 0 and 40. What will you get here? 40. See the fourth question, 83. 3 is less than 5. So write 0 at the place of 3 and write 8 as it is. So you will get 80, rounding number of 83. Now see the number 17. Here 7. 7 is greater than 5. So write 0 at the place of 7. And since 7 is greater than 5, so write 2 at the place of 1. Now subtract 17 from 83. We can't subtract 7 from 3, so you have to borrow from 8. 8 will be 7 and 3 will be 13. 13 minus 7 will be 6 and 7 minus 1 will be 6. Exact difference is 66. 80 minus 20, 0 minus 0 will be 0, 8 minus 2 will be 6. Fifth one, 56 minus 39. See the ones place digit, here is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So write 0 at the place of 6 and write the next number of 5, which is 6. So the rounding number of 56 is 60. Now see number 39. Here 9 is greater than 5. So write 0 at the place of 9 and write the next digit of 3, which is 4. 40 is the rounding number of 39. Now you have to subtract 9 from 6. Can you subtract it? 9 from 6? No. So you have to borrow from 5. 5 will be 4 and 6 will be 16. 16 minus 9 will be 7 and 4 minus 3 will be 1. What will you get here? 17 after subtracting 39 from 56. Now you have to subtract 40 from 60. 0 minus 0 will be 0 and 6 minus 4 will be 2. What will you get here? 20. This is the last question of exercise 3.3. 78 minus 67. 78 rounds to and 67 rounds to numbers. Okay. So first you have to take 78. Here ones place 8. 8 is greater than 5. So write 0 at the place of 8 and write the next number of 7, which is 8. In 67, 7 is greater than 5. So write 0 at the place of 7 and write the next number of 6, which is 7. Now subtract 67 from 78. 8 minus 7 will be 1 and 7 minus 6 will be 1. What will you get? 11. Now 78 rounds to 80 and 67 rounds to 70. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 8 minus 7 will be 1. What will you get? 10. So this way you have to do the questions of exercise 3.3. Estimate the answer by rounding of the numbers and check your answer. So dear students, I hope you all have understood how to do subtraction and how to round off the number and how to check the answer. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.